Alright guys, so this is day 3 of this mini series, short reviews, I don't know how I'm gonna call it, but today I have a special product because I've never heard about this brand before. So I've got the WOOSH Beauty. It's called the Fold Out Face Palette. You have everything you can possibly need to do your makeup. Look at that. This retails, you guys, for $59. $59. I do have to say that it comes with a brush, which looks like this. And this brush is a 4-in-1 type of brush, so you get 4 brushes in here. I got the one medium tan. You get 4 eyeshadows, 2 cream products, a bronzer, a pressed powder, highlighter, 2 blushes, and 2 other pressed powders. So I'm just gonna go in. So from what I could tell, this is a very creamy product. So as you guys can see, this is pretty light for me. So I don't know how this is for medium tan skin tones. I think it's a little too light. So very, very creamy, as you guys can see. I'm gonna apply some over here on my smile lines. I'm just gonna grab a random brush to blend this. Oh my god, I think I might have applied a little too much. It's not giving me much coverage. All right, so far I don't like it. I don't like it. It's looking a little streaky, I'm not gonna lie, and it's giving me a lot of texture on my skin. Alright guys, so it's looking absolutely atrocious. It's looking super cakey under the eyes. It's not giving me coverage at all. As you guys can see, I can still see my dark circles. So I'm gonna go to this cream contour here, and I'm gonna use their brush. You guys seeing this? I'm not seeing anything. They're really digging in there. Nothing's happening. I think this might be a little too light for my skin tone. It's not showing up on my skin tone at all. I'm gonna go in and just set my face so I can contour, and I'm gonna mix these. Actually, I'm just gonna go in with this one right here and just set my face. Okay, the powders are great. I'm gonna go in with the contour shade right here. Oh my god, this palette looks disgusting. I'm so sorry, you guys. Clean. Oh. Wow, okay, that is pigmented. That is pigmented. And it blended like a dream. Wow, look at that. Ooh, I love that. Look at how it looks on the brush though. On the brush it looks so dark. Let's dive into the blushes. The blushes look very pretty and very promising. Ooh, very, very pigmented. This is beautiful. So I think they did great with the powders. So it does come with a highlighter in here. So I'm going to try it on. And I'm just going to apply it over here. Very nice. Okay. It's okay. I'm not crazy about it. My skin looks absolutely awful, you guys. Let's try the shadows real quick. I'm just gonna go in straight to this color here, the brown color. Let me see if I can build this color up. So this is what the shadow looks like. It's pretty. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go in a third time to see if I can build it up. All right, so this is what it looks like. I mean, it is blending, I have to say. I'm gonna go in with that black shade, this one right here. And I am just going to kind of focus that on the upper lash line. Alright guys, I am back and this is how the eyes are looking. For $59, you guys, it is not that great. It's been a few hours now since I did my makeup. The concealer, absolutely awful. Look at that. I have so much texture underneath the eyes. Like, I feel I have no makeup on left. So my humble opinion, you guys, that $59 palette is not worth it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch my 2 previous videos of this week. Check those 2 out. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Take care, and I hope to see you in my next video.